Hi all. Today we'll be learning how to make an easy origami flasher. Flashers are actually a cool toy to play with, and if you are always eager to make one, I suggest you to try this first. So today we'll be learning how to make an easy origami 8x8 flasher. For this you will need a square sheet of paper. I'm using a 6x6 inch square paper. If you want you can use a 10x10 inch square paper. I made it using a 10x10 inch square paper. So let's get started. So first step is we need to divide the paper into 8 parts horizontally and vertically. So let's just do that. Okay, first fold it into half. So now we can just unfold it, and now we can see this flap, right? We can bring it towards the center line and we can crease it. Just do the same on the other side too. Now we can take this flap and fold it here. Similarly, we need to do it on the other side. So now it looks like this. You just turn it over and bring it towards the center line. Similarly on the other side too. So now we can just fold it in half like this and crease it well. So one important thing is while we are doing flasher, our creases should be perfect. So I can just open. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have 8 folds now here. See, like the two are like one is down and the other is up. They are opposite. You could just get them all equal in the same direction. Like this. Yes. So now there are 8 folds. Similarly we can do it for the horizontal way. Then now fold it into half. Then unfold it. And then we can bring this to the center. Now you can see this flap, right? Similarly we can bring it towards this line and crease it well. Now we can flip it and bring this line, bring this fold towards the center line. You can repeat the same. And you can just crease it well. So now we can just unfold it. Okay, so I can just fold it. So now we have finished the first step of flasher. The second step is that we need to find a center point. But now we'll be unable to find a center point because there are equal number of squares and we are having 2, like 4. So what we need to do is we need to just fold one and the second. So now we can find the center point like 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. So this is the center square. So you can just mark it. We can just draw it using a pencil or pen, but if you want to be accurate, you can just use a scale. Yes. So now we need to be careful because these are important steps for a flasher. First you can draw a line like this. So a vertical line. So it should form a rectangle here. You can draw a line here. And then another line here. So this is the basic fold. So there are two steps to do it. Like we can first fold it and slowly go step by step, or we can do all the folds at once and then bring it to the center. I feel that the second one is more easier than the first one, so I'll go with that. So now I'm using a pencil because this is not an important line. You can see here, right? You can just draw some dotted lines. It will be going here, and now we can just use a pen. So while the first time I did it, I found it difficult, but later on it was quite easier. I can just draw the dotted line. And then you can use the pen to draw. Like doesn't matter if it's equal, because while you fold you can just rectify it. So similarly you can do it on all the sides. Now I'm not using dotted lines. For the first time it's advisable to draw a line, and later on you can just remove the folds and do it directly. I think I just do it a little bit. Yeah, now it's fine. It's okay, like it doesn't matter. As for now, it's our flasher, like the basic structures look. So now let's start folding. First, you can push it up and fold it. Crease it well, and crease this line as well. So now it will be like this. We should be able to like join the two. So it will be quite unequal. So if it's unequal, that means you're on the right track. So the second is that just bring it, so it should join like this. You just push this diagonal flap up. You just crease it and move it up. And now yes, it's good. You see, it could just come up. See, first it's down, it's going up, and it's again coming down. So similarly you need to do on all the other sides. First it's going down. Second it's going up, and the third it's down. You can do it on the other side too. Fold up, like push it up, and then down. Yes, so that's good. And then the last, down, and then you can just push it up, and then again bring it down. So now our basic structure of the flasher is now ready. So the only thing is that bring it closer. Let's do it step by step. First, just this, sideways, bring it up, and then like this. So you just you make sure that the corners are perfect, like the perfect square is formed. And now we can just bring it in closer. Just crease it well. See, as we crease it will automatically come inside. So I think you can just see it. So my square is kind of inside, so I could just use my pencil to push it up. And then I could just maintain the same, like the height of the square. Yes. So it's coming good. Okay, I need to push it up. Just hold it. Yes. So our flash is now ready. So like at first time, if you didn't crease it well and if you open, it will be hard to again push it inside. So if you do it like a 3 to 4 times, and automatically it will come. So if you wanted to, when you pull it and it should automatically close, you can just like dip it in water for a few hours, like a few minutes, and then dry it up nicely. You should make sure that your paper is of good quality. And now for the last touch, then draw an expression here. Our easy origami 8x8 flasher is ready. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. If you feel that going fast in this video, you can just pause it anytime. And for the last part, this is a tiny flasher that I made. It's actually a real tiny flasher. And you know what? It actually works as a pencil topper too. Let me just show you. So like put it in the back side of pencil and it even rotates. Yes. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.